guys, welcome back to my channel. So as part of the wedding series, I wanted to share with you guys everything I've been getting in my Miss to Mrs. boxes. So my mom had this awesome idea to order the Miss for Mrs. boxes for me, and I've been getting them roughly like every month or so, or every other month. And they come with the cutest items that are perfect for my wedding season. Let's do it. So first thing that has come in handy as I'm counting down the days till the wedding is this days until you and me become we. How freaking cute is this? And yes, it is 247 days. Can you believe it? Me either. It's going by so quick. Another thing that I got in the box was these jewelry wipes. I do take full advantage going to Jared's and getting my cleaning whenever I can make it over there, of course, but these are nice just to have on the go. You know, if I don't have time to, drive over there during the week, I can always use this just to give it a little bit more sparkle. Next thing we have here is this engaged shirt. Isn't this adorable? It's like, I just love it. It's super cute. Hashtag engaged. All right, then we have a future Mrs. Organizer. Now, if you guys know me at all, I love notebooks. I love organizing. I love planners. I'm all about it, okay? So this will be absolutely perfect just to put down contact information for different vendors that we're booking, and just all the little tidbit information that I just need to jot down, because the biggest lie to myself is, oh, I'll remember that. I don't need to write it down. No, I have to write everything down. So I love this so much. And I love the size as well. It's perfect just to throw in my purse when I'm going to meetings and things. Speaking of taking notes, I got these pens. How adorable are these? They're like the rose gold. You guys can see them there. And they're gonna go perfect with the planner, so it's like a win-win. And as I'm doing all the wedding planning, it's great to have a coffee with that, right? Of course. So I got this I Said Yes travel coffee mug, I should say. So it's super cute. Once again, love the rose gold it has to it. And definitely gonna be using this a lot. Plus I love coffee, like who doesn't? So guys, that is all. I mean, that's all of my first Miss to Mrs. box. Absolutely in love with everything. I just think they do a really great job of sending the items based on where you're at in your planning process as well. So this being my first box, just absolutely perfect. There is a ladybug. Go, fight you. Get out of here, bro. They are so invasive. Well guys, thank you so much for tuning in on my first unboxing of Miss to Mrs. Definitely more to come, so be sure to tune in. And just thank you for being part of my wedding series. Thanks for coming along for the ride. This is a really exciting time for me, and I'm just so happy to share it with all of you as well. So be sure to subscribe before y'all leave so you can keep up with all the latest, and I appreciate y'all so much. See you next time.